Hello, this is Jason's cookie show. I'm making bacon with ice cream. You can use sauce to put on the ice cream, but that's kind of funny. Now, what I need is a tomato. Take a stem out, put that in the ice cream, and put a tomato. This is kind of lucky. Then I put some oil. Put this very nice juice. And I put it on everything. And please wait a minute. Okay, get up. Ah, nice. And I'm going to put some red pepper on stuff. As you can see, and I'm going to put this right in this oven down here. If I can move this. Right in this oven down here on the bottom end. Now, go and put this bacon in here. I'm just going to throw it back in here. Now, I'm going to take out my spoon. And I'm going to put a banana there. Put corn there. Mushroom, that one's hard to get out. And some more bread, peanut butter on it. And I'm going to put that there. And corn right there. Hot dog right there. And an apple here. And double nice apple right here. Piece of whatever that is. What is it? This.
Pepperoni.
Oh, pepperoni. It's like this. And I have to get my pail out. And I'm not even up in a real refrigerator. But I might. They're good. Right? Oh. This pail. Oh. Yes. Oh, sit here. Now I have, I don't know what I have. I have another hot cutter. My chopstick. And I'm going to move this over the top. And anything else in here? Yes, it is. Okay, now I take my board pan and just